Hey everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to use Claude AI to create social media content quickly. Whether it's posts, captions, or ideas, Claude makes it easy to stay consistent. First, sign into your Claude AI account. Once you're in, click New Chat to start your social media content project. This is where you'll type your prompts. Next, decide which platform and audience you're targeting. For example, type write 5 Instagram captions for a fitness brand targeting beginners, or create LinkedIn post ideas for marketing professionals. Then hit enter and Claude AI will generate your content. You can get captions, post ideas, hashtags, or even short scripts for Reels or TikTok videos. After Claude generates your content, review it and tweak as needed. Adjust the tone, add emojis, or align it with your brand voice to make it more engaging. Finally, copy or export the content and schedule your posts using tools like Buffer later or directly on the platform. Using Claude AI consistently can help you stay active without spending hours creating content. And that's it. Using Claude AI for social media is really that simple. Define your platform, generate, refine, and schedule, then watch your engagement grow.